Today, just for a bit of fun, we're going to set up a template for a letter. For old fogies like myself who believe in the traditional values of putting your address at the top right hand corner of the envelope. Now I'm going down to the drawing toolbar. If it isn't visible, you can get it by clicking on View, Toolbars, and making sure there's a tick beside the word Drawing. The cursor's flashing away merrily there. We come down to the drawing toolbar, we pick up a text box, click on it, and then we press delete to get rid of that most annoying thing that Windows have put in to try and be helpful. I go to the top right hand corner and press down with the key, and then I draw a box by going down to where I think the opposite corner is going to be. I would be invariably wrong, because when I pressed when I put in the address, it won't fit. So I go to the bottom left hand corner, and when I've got a two-headed arrow, in other words it'll stretch it out, I stretch this out. So now any road west by north is on one line, any town is on its own line, any place and the postcode. What I would also do at this stage is click in there, press enter twice, and insert date and time, and we want it 21st November 2009, which is today's date, and click make sure there's a tick beside update automatically that way, and click on OK. That way the address will change according to the date that you create your letter. That looks all very pretty except for one thing. If you want to do a print preview, you will see there's a dirty great black box around it, and we don't want that. The way to get rid of that is to double click using the left button on the box, and we come here and the format text box dialog box comes up, and you've got options, colors and lines, size, layout, text box, etc. On the Colors and Lines tab, under Colors, you put no line. That way your text box, we click on OK, will now be, even though you can see it here, when it's printed it will not be visible. And then what you do is you save it, and you would go to File, Save As. Now down at the bottom it says Save As Type. If you click on this little spinner button here, you can have Document Template, and there is a list of all of the templates that we've got in our computer. We're going to call this one Letter Template, and we're going to click Save. And now whenever we want our document, we can call it up, open up Microsoft Word, come down to here where it says New from Templates, General Templates, and we've got here Letter Template, and there is your letter. When you put this on, you'll press enter a few times and you'll find that the box will move down with you, which is quite annoying because I haven't set it up properly, but I haven't got time to do this again. So you grab it by the top, drag it back to where you want it, move the cursor down here, and now you can carry on. Dear Gladys. Okay, and that is how you set up your letter template. You then, when you finish the letter to Gladys, you would save as Dear Gladys. I press cancel there, and your template, and then close it. Normally you would say yes, by the way. But when we view our task pane again, and we want to open up the letter template, you'll find it comes up there now. You can view it, and you can start using it. Okay? Thank you.